Teachers Wonderland. Teachers Wonderland.
Hi, Gichu. Is it a backhoe? What is it, Gichu? What is this? What is this?
There's a big wheel. It moves. It's flashy dance.
Oh, what about that one?
Yeah. Big.
And the front wheel? What about this one? What is this? What is that?
That's a truck.
That's a bucket?
Yeah. And then that's
You're going to touch it? Yeah. Now what about this one? On the back? What is this? Mind the rocks. Yeah, go ahead. There's two big wheels, two massive, four wheels, Kitchen. Two big and two small ones. Look at this. How many balls on it? Is it 5 balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls on the wheel. That's a big bolt. It's not even touching the ground.
No.
Look at that. The wheel is not even touching the ground.
Hey, I know. This big wheel touching my good.
Big wheel is. Do you know what this is, Kichu? This is a stand. That's a stand. That'll stabilize. That's a stabilizer. That stabilizes the backhoe. Do you want to have a look inside? Do you like to have a look inside? Just hold on. Hey, Kichu. Can you see inside? Is there a steering wheel? There's a big steering wheel. I could see a big steering wheel. And there's a seat there.
And I see a leaf there.
You see a leaf there.
And I see a leaf.
Whoa. You're sitting on the edge. See you later. Bye bye.